Yo, what's up? So we're here to unbox the Pioneer DJE 1500 1500 in-ear earphones. Yeah, let's do this. So it says here that 2 selectable position with rotating housing for changing over-ear monitoring style. Hear the best qualified sound for DJing from the 9mm dynamic driver. Detachable cord 1.6M. Includes Comply TX500. Comply. For superb sounds insulation. Okay, so let's unbox it. I bought this in the US around $95 in Amazon. It was shipped to me by my relatives abroad in the US. So let's unbox it. Alright, so it says here Pioneer DJ in-ear headphones. Oh, not earphones but headphones. Okay, so let's unbox it. Let's see what's inside. Alright. Ooh. So this is the earphones. Wow, looks awesome. So there's a manuals, the cord, and the case. Very nice case. Pioneer. Let's open this. Ear tips for your ears, if it's big or small, and the adapter. If you're a DJ, you need this in the mixer. Alright, earphones. Oh, wow. Very solid. Right and the left. So this is normal. If you want to put your earphones in a normal way or standard like this, or you can change it to over ear. You're gonna hook it up to your ears like this. Alright, it's a long braided cable, awesome quality. So basically that's it. Okay, so my comment on the sound is this: if you're a bass head, this is not for you. It sounds flat, so it's more on the mids and the highs. So I'm hearing a little bit of bass in these earphones. So if you're a bass head, skip this earphones. But if you're a DJ or just mixing music, it is recommended. For me, it is good for mixing because it sounds flat and I don't need bassy sound when mixing. So I think it's very good in DJing. So I'm gonna use these earphones in my future gigs, and let's see how durable these earphones are. Let's see how well it's performed in a big crowd or in gigs. So until then, see you in the next vlog. So this is the unboxing of the Pioneer DJE 1500 in-ear earphones / headphones, whatever you call it. So like and subscribe. See ya. Yeah.